The dark web is like the hidden part of an iceberg. Imagine the internet you use every day. Google, social media, shopping sites. It's just the tip floating above water. But beneath the surface lies a massive, mysterious world called the dark web. Unlike the regular web, you can't access it with your everyday browsers. You need something special, like the Tor browser, which works like an invisibility cloak, hiding who you are and where you're going. Once inside, it's a completely different world. Some people use it for privacy, whistleblowers, journalists, or people living under oppressive regimes. But it's also known for illegal activities, like selling stolen data, drugs, and hacking tools. Picture it as a digital underground market where you can find both heroes and villains. You might find secret political discussions or black markets that deal in things you're better off not knowing about. So it's not all bad, but it's definitely not for the faint of heart. And remember, the dark web isn't something to casually explore. It's full of hidden risks and unknown players.